All right, I'm back at Lowe's checking out the deals you should be going for in the later part of August now. And they rolled out some new DeWalt ones, some different blades and bits. So I'll go over these first. All right, first up is the DeWalt 7¼ inch 24 tooth circular saw blade. This is for one of them, and the price is $11.98 on it. Looks like a pretty nice blade for cutting general purpose wood as well as plywood and OSB. So it might be a good pickup for only 12 bucks. And they have a 6½ inch version of it, also a 24 tooth one. This one's priced at 10 bucks. Next up is the DeWalt Elite series of the 40-piece bit set. It has this hard plastic case with the see-through lid on it. So it has Torx as well as regular screw and square bits. And it has like a pack of extra 1-inch bits inside the individual case that's inside the case. So these are impact rated, and this one can be priced at $24.98. Then they have the DeWalt Elite series of the 3-piece socket adapter set for $10.98. And so that covers the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive of the socket adapters. So it's not a bad price. They do say it's saving only $1 though, but to get 3 of them that are impact rated for only 11 bucks is a decent deal from DeWalt. And they have a DeWalt 35-piece bit set that also includes a bit holder extension. And this is also impact rated bits. And it comes in a nice hard plastic case with that. And this one is going to be priced at $12.98, saving $4. And this one looks like a nice kit. It's on the DeWalt 31 security bit set. So it covers these different types of security screws and that are magnetic with the bit holder that they have here in the case. And also it has a see-through lid with the hard case. It keeps everything nicely organized as well as labeled inside of the case. Here's a look at the back of the package that shows everything that is included in this set. And this one is priced at $14.98, saving $5. And they have the DeWalt oscillating blade assortment set. It's 3 different blades that it comes with. And this one actually looks pretty nice. It has teeth on all edges of this blade. It's 2 1/8 inch one. And it'd be good for cutting drywall, wood, nail embedded wood. So this one is priced at 35 bucks, and that's saving $5 there. Next up is going to be a deal on the Craftsman VersaStack Mechanics set. It's a 71-piece set. The deal price is $49.98. It was $75. And here's a look at the set. So it has a nice VersaStack compatible case to it. It covers both SAE and metric 6-point sockets. It has 2 ratchets of the 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive. It also has Allen wrenches, and the ratchets are 72 tooth low profile. So it has 21 pieces of the 1/4 inch drive, 21 pieces of the 3/8 drive, and 29 miscellaneous pieces. I think it's a pretty good price for only 50 bucks, normally priced at 75. And they do have decent savings on this DeWalt shop vac. It's the Stealth Sonic one that is 50% quieter than other shop vacs out there. I've seen other videos on these vacuums and they're actually pretty quiet, pretty impressive. So this one in particular is a 9-gallon one, 5 horsepower motor, has a 10-foot power cord as well as a 7-foot hose with that. The deal price is at 99 bucks, so you're saving $30 on that. And here's a look at the sign for that shop vac. It does have an 1 7/8 diameter tools, so it includes all those pieces, as well as the filter, and then it even has a bag too, in case you want to keep it bagged up as far as the debris goes. It also has a drain tank to it and 2-inch caster wheels. And you can save 20% on this shop vac brand shop vac. This actually looks like a newer model out. I haven't seen this one before, so it looks like a more compact one. This is a 4-gallon, 6 peak horsepower. Also has an 1 7/8 inch diameter tools. It comes with an assortment of different tools as well as the hose and the attachments. It looks like it includes a couple filters, one for the wet type pickup and regular debris. It also has a bag too. The shop vac brand does mention that it has a lifetime warranty on it. This one has a 25-foot power cord, which is pretty impressive, and a 7-foot hose. So the deal price is 79 bucks. It was 99. If you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. Now, let's go to the next deal. And they do have a couple of clearance deals on some Klein Tools socket sets. So this one in particular is the Essential Deep Well Heavy Duty Flip Socket Set. The thing that's nice about them is they do come with a nice case to store them in, and they are impact rated. So this set has a 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, and 9/16 sockets. It also includes a ratchet, as well as it looks like it has an extension bar to that as well. The clearance price is 30 bucks. It was 50 bucks, so you're saving $20 on that. So hopefully your store has the same clearance deal as mine does. They do have one other one on the Flip 20 deep well heavy duty socket set and the SAE drive of the sockets. This one's only saving 10 bucks right now. It's priced at 90. It was 100. Now, if you happen to be in the market for any drill bits, in particular like arbor bits and speed bore bits, it appears that Lowe's is clearancing out all the Irwin brand ones. And I'll show you some of the discounts that they're offering. Some pretty crazy deals on these. So they have the speed bore, 1/2 inch, 16 inches long, and it has like a wire pulling hole in it. You can put the wire in and then pull it through a hole. So this one in particular, they had that on clearance for $9.98, and it was $18.98. That's a pretty good deal on that. And then they have the 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive of the same type of bit. Those are also priced at $9.98, and those were 16 bucks on those. And they have other Irwin speed bore bits. This one has like a drill bit going all the way down, so you could definitely bore through some thick wood on that. And it's also rated for nail embedded wood. And these are on clearance for 20 bucks, and they were 33, and one was 36.48. So they have various pricing, basically at $19.98 for the clearance price. They have the 7/8 inch one that was 45 bucks. That's also $20. It's an awesome deal. So these are excellent prices on these. And here's some more options. They have like the shorter versions of the 7/8 on clearance for $9.98. It was $29. Then they have a 3/4 inch one for 20 bucks. It was 32. And the 7/8, actually they had the 7/8 here in the wrong spot. This one's actually $20. It was 34. It's the 5/8 one. That's 10 bucks. It was 29. And here's other options too. You can take a look at their pricing. Basically 10 bucks. They were 11 and 12 and 12.48. So not so much good savings on those. Then they have the regular paddle style drill bits on clearance for $3.98, and they were $6.48. Well, there are different pricing on those. And here's a really good deal on the Irwin. It's a 6-piece tri-flute set in a hard plastic case. The clearance price is $19.98. It was 40 bucks. Here's what the kit looks like. These are the sizes that it has, from a 1/2 inch all the way up to 1 1/4 inch. So that's a pretty good kit there for only 20 bucks. Definitely be worth checking out your store, see if they're clearancing them out at your store, because some of these are really good pricing. And here's some more excellent deals. They have the arbor bits, like the 2 1/8 inch one on clearance for 20 bucks. It was 60. Then they have a 2 inch one, also 20 bucks. It was 55. Then they have an 1 1/2 inch one for 20 bucks as well, and that was also 55. So some pretty good deals on these bits if you're in the market for them. Definitely check out your store. And they rolled out an awesome deal from the Bosch brand, and it's a BOGO deal where you can get several different tools. You have option of several different tools to get one for free, including this Bosch Pro Factor impact wrench, 1/2 inch drive one, that has a retail price of $2.99. You can get this as one of the options for a free tool. And here is their sign for it. So you buy this $199 battery starter kit, which includes the 8 amp hour expert battery. This is their newer battery out to the market with the charger for the $199. And you get your options of these tools. You can get one for free. And the best bang for the buck is on that 1/2 inch drive impact wrench. Obviously, if you happen to need that, that's going to be an excellent deal. The next best option would be these ones that are $249 value between the hammer drill, circular saw, and the recip saw. And also, this would be another good option for $229 value is the palm router. It's going to be an awesome deal to purchase that for $199. Get that 8 amp hour battery, charger, and a tool for free. And you have it all the way until October 28th for this deal. So you do have some time. But just so you know, when they do awesome deals like this, they have the possibility of selling out. And I will be sure to put a link down in the description below that'll go to this deal, as well as I'll have a general link for Lowe's.com. It will be an affiliate link. And if you make any purchase at Lowe's.com, I will get credit for the sale. And I really do appreciate that support. The best thing is it won't cost you any more money, but it does help support the channel. And they have a pretty good deal on the DeWalt quarter sheet sander. This is the XR series, that is brushless, and the deal price is $129, saving 50 bucks on that. Normally priced at $179. And you do have until the 26th of the month, so only a few days. And this deal was only good for 6 days total, actually. So very limited time deal on this sander. And just so you are aware, DeWalt is rolling out with some new sanders coming out now that are on the 5 inch and 6 inch random orbit sanders, and they look pretty nice. And this next deal also comes to an end on the 26th, so it was only good for 6 days, and it's on the DeWalt 20 volt cordless hand vac. It does include many different accessories too, including a hose that you can put on the end there with the different attachments. The deal price is obviously $129, saving $40 on that one. And they do have a lower price deal, which I don't know if when it comes to an end. It's on the DeWalt Grabo lifter, so you can lift different materials with it. I've heard great things about this tool. So the deal price is $199, normally priced at $259, so you are saving $60 on that one. And I don't know when that one comes to an end. And they even rolled out a BOGO deal for the Metabo brand cordless tools, and they have different options, 3 different options actually. And you can take a screenshot of this sign here of the different item numbers. There's 3 different item numbers you could purchase, and then you get a 2-pack of battery and charger for free. And this deal is going to be going all the way until October 28th, so you do have some time on it. I wish Lowe's would do a better job at their signage for their BOGO deals, because I don't know what those tools are. I tried looking them up and could not find them, so I don't know which ones are included under the BOGO deal. But like I said, it would be nice if Lowe's actually had a sign that showed the tools that are included in that deal. If you happen to be in the market for some router bits, this might be a good time to pick some up under the Skill brand. So this first one is a 30-piece set where you can save $49 on it. You can pick it up for $91. That would be the sale price on this kit. So 30 pieces, has many different contours as well as straight type cuts. They are on a 1/4-inch shank to them. And here's a list of all the bits that are included. So you can certainly screenshot it and take a look at all the different ones that are included under this one. This appears to be in a modular type case with where you can stack multiple of these cases together and lock them in place with the little fittings here. It has a little lock button there on the side. So I think that's a pretty good deal, saving $49 on this one. Pick it up for $91, because the normal retail price is $140. And then the next option is going to be an incredible deal because it's saving $40 on it. And you'd be able to pick this up for $50 because it is normally priced at $90. This is the 15-piece set, also on a 1/4-inch shank to it, so you could use like palm routers with these bits. And I don't know if you can see I don't know if the video is going to show the contours of the different bits that are included. Looks like it even has some dovetail ones as well in this 15-piece set. So here's a look at the back of this package that shows the different options that they have in this kit as well. And they do show a picture of the modular box system to be able to stack multiples up for easy storage. So $50 for this kit, I think is a pretty good price, saving $40 on this one. And these deals are going to be going all the way until September 30th. So you do have just over a month to get these deals, as long as they have it in stock, of course. It's an excellent price for these router bits. And they do have other Klein Tools clearance deals. This one in particular is on the 13-piece knurled Torx bit socket set. So this is Modbox compatible case with the see-through lid. It includes sizes T8 all the way up to T60 bits, and they do look pretty nice. And the clearance price on this one is $17.97. It was $30 for this kit, so that's good savings on that one. And they have another clearance deal on this Klein Tools Flip 10 deep well heavy duty impact socket set. So this has the millimeter sizes, and it includes from 8mm up to 18mm. Again, in the Modbox compatible case with that. The clearance price is $30 and it was $50. So it is a pretty good deal on that, saving $20. And they do have a deal on the 13-piece of the metric knurled metric hex bit socket set. Includes sizes from 2mm all the way up to 14mm. Obviously also in the Modbox case, and they do look nice as well. And it's the same clearance price as the other kit. That's $17.97, and it was $30. All right, now I'm going to show you some new Klein Tools that they recently added to the store here. The first one here is on the adjustable wrench with the pass-through ratchet set. So on the adjustable wrench itself, it has a ratchet on the other end with the pass-through sockets, as well as an extension. Again, in the Modbox case. And the sockets that includes from size SAE, size 1/4 inch up to 9/16 of an inch. And that's priced at $60. The next new Klein Tools is on the 10-inch plier wrench with the knurled jaws. So this is going to be similar to like the Knipex style wrench, pliers wrench, but they had the knurling on the jaws there so you can get extra grip, which is going to be really nice actually. It'd be nice having that option for that versus the smooth jaw ones. They're also great pliers. Here's a look at the back of the package. And so this 10-inch pliers do retail at $33. So it's actually a pretty decent price, especially compared to like the regular style pliers wrench, like the Icon, specifically at Harbor Freight. Those are priced at 40 bucks, whereas you could pick up these 10-inch ones for only $33. That's pretty good pricing there from Klein. And I imagine this next one will be also popular. Another pliers wrench option on the 7-inch ones. They also have that with the knurled teeth on the jaws. And it's nice and easily adjustable with the push button on there. Has a nice rubber molded grip on there. And these retail for 28 bucks. To me, it seems like this is more the perfect size to be able to handle most tasks, being a small compact tool like this. And here's a look at the back of the package. You can certainly pause the video and take a look. They also have a see-through window here in the packaging so you can see the knurled teeth on it. So pretty nice, 28 bucks. All right, that's going to be it for the deals I'm going to cover in this video at Lowe's. If you did gain any value from it, I'd appreciate you giving it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And if you're on a mobile device, be sure to hype the video, help spread the word to other tool deal enthusiasts like you. I really do appreciate you watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.